Hello, Geometry Honor students. This is the third video covering the bisectors in a triangle, lesson 5.2. So I'm going to show you how to algebraically find the circumcenter of a triangle given any 3 points. Okay, so this is an algebraic method. It involves solving a system of equations, lots of algebra stuff with geometry twists, right? So again, it's a challenging problem, but with enough practice, you can do it. Okay, so again, if I'm looking for the circumcenter, that means I'm looking for the point where the perpendicular bisectors intersect. So this problem is all about perpendicular bisectors. So we need to pick 2 of our 3 sides and find the perpendicular bisectors of them. So if I take a look here, I think I'm going to choose AB and BC. I think they're just shorter. So I'm going to do those 2. So AB and BC. It does not matter. Again, the numbers are not always going to be pretty, so just buckle up. All right, so let's do AB first. Okay, so for AB, to find the perpendicular bisector, it's 3 steps. Step 1, let's find the midpoint. So this is the bisector part. So we take AB's coordinates and we just add the x's, divide by 2. We add the y's and divide by 2. That's going to get us 2 divided by 2 is 1, 4 divided by 2 is 2, 1, 2, and that's the midpoint. Then we're going to find the slope of AB. So we're going to count rise over 1. I'm going to go down 1, 2, 3, 4, and right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So down 4, right 8. That simplifies to negative 1/2. We must use the opposite reciprocal of that, which is going to be positive 2. And then I will put my point slope form, y minus y1, which is 2. Remember, this is my x1, y1, equals my slope of 2 times x minus 1. I'll put it in slope-intercept form, so y minus 2 equals 2x minus 2. I'm going to add 2 to both sides, and look at this. When I add 2, they go away, and oh, beautiful. Y equals 2x. I got lucky here, okay? So there's going to be one of our equations, okay? All right, now I'm going to try to carve out some room here in blue to do the second equation. I might not get so lucky with this, nice. Okay, so this is going to be for, let's say, BC. All right, so the first thing I'll do is I'll find the midpoint by adding the x's. So let's do 5 plus negative 1 divided by 2, and 0 plus negative 8 divided by 2. I suppose I was smart to use 5, 0, because it used 0 twice, right? Okay. So this is 4 divided by 2, which is 2. That's negative 8 divided by 2, which is negative 4. So there is our midpoint for BC. We're going to find the slope of BC next. So I'll count from C up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's kind of a bummer. So 8 over 6 is not pretty. That simplifies to 4/3, which means the slope we're going to use is negative 3/4. And now I'll come up here, so we're doing y minus, so y minus negative 4, y plus 4, equals negative 3/4 x minus 2. We'll distribute the negative 3/4, so y plus 4 equals negative 3/4 x. When you do negative 3/4 times negative 2, that's positive 6/4, which simplifies to 3/2, so positive 3/2. And then I'll subtract 4 on both sides. So we get y equals, when you subtract 4, I need a common denominator. Right now it's 4 over 1, so make this minus 8 over 2. Right, that'll then combine with the 3 over 2, so y equals negative 3/4 x, and then 3/2 minus 8/2 is negative 5/2. There's our second equation. Right, so now we need to take these 2 equations and we're going to solve a system involving them. All right, so I'll do this on the next page. Okay, I think I will. Oh, I need to erase them, sorry. So this is going to go away, okay? All right, so I erase that all. Okay, so now our two equations, and I'll write them back up here, were y equals 2x and y equals negative 3/4 x minus 5/2. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to take the two equations and set the x expressions equal to each other. So we're going to do 2x equals negative 3/4 x minus 5/2. So we just get rid of the y's, right? This is a method of substitution. Now, I'm going to multiply both sides by the LCD, the least common denominator. Well, typically, you just take your denominators and multiply them. But because 2 can be made into 4, our LCD here is just 4. You could use 8 if you want to, if it just makes more sense than just like, oh, just take all the denominators and multiply them, right? So 8 times 2 is 4. But it's actually 4, and I'm going to use 4. Your honors kids, you should know that the LCD, or the least common multiple between 4 and 2, is 4. We're going to multiply everything by 4. This is going to clear those fractions. So 8x equals, this becomes negative 3x, and this becomes minus 10. I'm going to add 3x to both sides to get 11x equals 10. I don't know, that should not be there. And then divide by 11 to get x equals 10/11. And again, it's not pretty, but there it is. So now we're going to take that x value and plug it into one of these equations. I'm going to pick the top one because it's simpler, right? There's nothing to add or subtract. So y equals 2 parentheses 10/11. The 2 gets multiplied to the 10 to make 20/11. And your circumcenter for this triangle was 10/11, 20/11. You can always use Desmos to double check and make sure you get it right. Desmos will give you decimal answers as the point of intersection, but you can always type your answer in a calculator and divide. So this is how you find the circumcenter. So again, you should have some practice in the Savvis and or the challenge. We'll do one in class as well. All right, thanks for watching.